Good morning, my lovely loves. Your girl is still on her vacay. I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a little white top here that I found in Mad Rag here in Atlanta. And then I paired it up with a little jeans here, a little skinny legging jeans here. And I think I did find this jeans in JCPenney's. Pretty comfy. So that's what I'm wearing. And then I'm just wearing my little flip-flops here because I want to be super comfortable. And what else? That's about it. Look, a bracelet on here. And then I'm just pairing it up with these here. Still wearing my shades. Oh, listen, y'all. They look like shades. They are shades, but they're actually my reading glasses. I can't see or drive or nothing without these. So yeah. And that's it. Very simple. Just trying to be pretty comfortable here in Florida. And believe it or not, people be like having shorts up to here because that's this Florida. But for me, honey, I'm gonna let them something right now unless me go up on the beach. But yeah, this is what it is. So now it's about 8:30 and I'm on my way to get some breakfast. Okay, y'all, so it's all about food. I didn't order anything much, simply because I'm not a heavy eater in the morning. That's alright. People will talk. By the way, I was really interrupted by my daughter just now. I'm having waffle, y'all. A simple waffle. So I'm having waffle and fruits. Very simple. A glass of orange juice and some water. That's all I'll be having. Now to say hi to the vlog. Where? Right now. Anyway, y'all, we gonna get it in. This is yours, you know. What? There's something in that buckle. What? Yeah, bacon and everything. Olive oil and we'll be having this. Waffle. I'm not a heavy eater, y'all. I wish I was. It's shaky. Yeah. Very unbalanced. Cheers. Sweet. I think I should be drinking anything milk. I know, right? I always have to go for the milk and stuff on your body, your belly can't take it. Pretty good. Yeah, it is good. There's salt right here. Oh, you don't have nothing for salt.